Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I want to talk about a video editing software by the name Pictory. It's a very simple to use AI video editing software and one that allows you to have your captions running as you record. So let's head right in and type Pictory. So you will be required to sign up or sign in if you haven't had an account previously. And I'd also like us to look at some of the prices that comes with different packages in Pictory. So for the monthly subscription, if you were to go with a monthly package, the price goes for a standard of $23 per month, and these are the features that are going to be included in the standard version of it. And then we have the premium that goes for $47 per month, and the enterprise where you can have it customized according to your needs. But if you choose to go with an annual plan, then the standard goes for $19 a month per user, $39 per user for the premium, and the enterprise, you'll have it customized according to your needs. So you'll notice in the standard version, you're going to lack out to be locked out of the music tracks, which are around 15,000. Then there's the 60 text to speech AI voices, automatic voice over synchronization. This is one thing that I find so, you know, advantageous of using the premium version, because you just have to record your voiceover and then the Pictory will do the rest of it. It will synchronize your images to your voiceover. You will also have automatic video highlights, Hootsuite integration, and bulk download of videos to CSV. And you also do not need any credit card for the free trial. So let's jump right into it and get to see how it works. So just log in. I'll just log in because I already have an account with Pictory. And then also I'm going to also have my script from Grammarly. That's why I save most of the scripts in case I want to do a video that requires a script. It makes it user friendly and easy to access. And for camels, and then I'll just highlight and copy, then I'll go right into Pictory. So, and in Pictory, once you're logged in, there's the script to video feature where you can convert your scripts to video. Then we have the article to video where you can paste, copy and paste a URL. And then we have the edit videos using text where you can have a video from, let's say, YouTube, Instagram, whichever platform that you have your video in. Then you can just come and input your video, and it automatically adds subtitles, cut portions of the video, creates video highlights, add logos, intros, and outros. And then we also have the visuals to video, where you can have a video maybe that you want to edit out and input your own voiceover. So you can just come drag the video from YouTube or whichever place that you have saved it. So I'll take you step by step through all the features. So we'll start with the script to video and click proceed, then paste. And then I'll just come and paste my script, and that's all I have to do. So once I'm done that, I'll just click on proceed, and then I'll choose a template. I think I'll go with this. Select. We want our video to be in the 16.9 frame, so choose that, click continue, and immediately Pictory begins determining the text context of your script and creates the visuals for you. So this is one powerful AI video editing software that I've worked with so far. So good, but at times it tends to be slow depending with the speed of your internet provider. So you see, it's a matter of seconds, it's done, and the text to video visuals are ready. So this will just take a minute. So once you're in, this is how the window looks like. So On the top left, we have the story. That's where you have the script. Then we have the visuals. That's where you come and change your visuals in according to what fits the script that reads along. Then we have the elements where you can have your stickers, your GIFs, and your emojis. Then we have the audio whereby you can have a background music, voiceover. You can either upload yours, and you can also change the audio settings, the volume, and all that. We'll come back to that once we go through the editing process. So we also have the text where you can come and add any text that you choose to have in your video. We also have the styles, the intro, the subtitle standard, the outro style. This is where you choose how your text will look like. And then we have the branding and we have the formatting. Where you can have it either in landscape, portrait, or square, also determined by wherever it is that you're uploading your video to, which social platform. So if it is YouTube, I'd recommend landscape. For the reels, portrait, and for Facebook, probably the square. So we go back to our story. Just click on the visuals. And in today's video, this video says, welcome to today's video where we will explore the unknown facts about camels. So down here you have an option of one, you can either delete the scene or you can preview it, you can trim the video, you can add the voiceover. So I'll just come here to add voiceover and I'll record. So once you want to record the text that's showing on your screen, just click on record. Welcome to today's video where we will explore the unknown facts about camels. Then just click on that, then click apply. Cultivated the hearts of people for centuries and are known for their ability to survive in some of the harshest environments. Let me just do another one. These majestic creatures have captivated the hearts of people for centuries and are known for their ability to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. So once you're done doing the voiceover, again click on apply. But this happens when you use the standard version of it, and you can clearly see that the image does not match the text. So what you do, come back here to visuals, and because we're talking about camels, just come and choose an image and click on it, and immediately the image changes. So you can also have your uploads. You maybe say you have a text that does not match any of the images provided by Pictory. You can come here and drag your files. I'll just take that for an example, open, and then save. So your image is going to appear under the upload section. Then you'll also do the same. You just come click on the image and the image will appear on this other side. So once you're done doing your voiceover, let's say for example you don't have the time to do the voiceover or you just want to have it done by the AI, you have that option here under the audio whereby you have the voiceover and we have the male and the female, and then you can also change your speed. Let's say you want it to be a bit faster or a bit slower or just normal. So let's take for example Tom. I think I like Tom much better, so let's go with Tom. And then just on apply, and immediately once you click on the voice that you feel suits you, just click on apply and then let's preview and listen in. So I'd like you to note that that's the voiceover that I have done on this. But in case you have other slides that you haven't, like for this one, let's change the visuals again. And then just come to visuals, come to library. You can also have textures if you need to change the background, or you just want to have a texture and the text running, you can do that. So I'll just go back to library because we are talking about camels, and I'll just click on another image and then edit out. So let me just type in camel to make it easy to find the images. So clearly You can maybe change sit back. So you see, once you type in a word, it brings an image of something that relates to whatever you've typed in. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. I think I'll go with that. And then come back to camel. So I hope you have an understanding of what it is I'm trying to say. You will just go on clicking and changing the images to match up with your text. And then once you've done that, just come here and preview your whole video. So this is whereby the AI will synchronize your voiceover, either the one you've recorded or the one you've chosen for from the AI itself, the voiceover that you've chosen. It will synchronize with the text and the images and provide a video for you. So as you can see here, it's indicated that the story blocks, watermarks, or any audio issues in here will not be present in the final video. Next, let's just write welcome. Let's scrap that. Let me just come in here and go back to library and type in welcome. So as a welcome intro. Yeah, I think this is much better. And then you can do away with the text and just leave it as it is. So you see, we have created another scene before this one comes up. So maybe you begin with welcome, and then let's preview the voiceover. So the AI will automatically take over welcome, and then it will proceed. So these add buttons are basically for adding a blank scene. You can either have your text only. For example, maybe in this scene you don't need the images, so you just click on the add button, then text only, and then you'll be prompted to add a background texture. So let me go with a plain color. Oh, sorry, I changed the wrong one. So let's say we just need the visuals only. Come on. So if we need the visuals only, you just click on the add button, then have the visuals only. So you see the text gets to be moved. We can no longer see the text appearing. Or else you would like to add a blank, and at the same time you'll also choose to add text and visuals. So you'll just come back here on the library, and because you're talking about camels, you just come and add a photo, a scene, and then you can add your text right in here. So let's see camels, the beast of the desert. So you've just added another scene and created a text. So that's where you add in your text and visuals. And then let's say you need to add, you need to link two scenes, or probably one scene has a text that is too long to be read. So what you do, you just click on the add button and also click on linked scene. So it will prompt you to add another scene that will appear after this one and appear on the next. So let's say I need to add such. Just click on this. And so we see that we have the beast of the desert, and another beast of the desert that is quite empty. You see, this one goes empty, and this one goes with the text. So we just linked the two. So you could choose to change the image on this and return it back to what it was. And then the next one will have no text on it. So you will choose to maybe cut and copy paste the text from the previous scene. so that it may be readable. Or else, if the text doesn't fit on this scene, what you do, just come up here. Let's go back to the one that has the text and then click in here. So you have options right here where you can change the text font, you can change the text size, you can have it bolded, you can have it centered either to the left, center, or to the right. You can also have it, you can change the color of your text, you can change the shadow of your text, and so on and so forth. And then once you're done that, if you have changed the settings on one scene, you can either save it as a style, your own personal style, or you can apply it to all. So once you click on apply to all, it will change everything. So let's say I highlight this text, then maybe take it to a font of 42. So you see the text increases, and then maybe I want to bold it. So I'll just click on bold. I can also have it in italics. I can underline it. I can also strike. I'll just undo that. And then for the text color, I'll just click on that. Then we have the text color, we have the background color, and we have the highlight color. So once I click on that, you can clearly see that text font color, the color of the text changes, it gets underlined, and then you'll just click again on it and you can do the changes. You can undo the changes by also clicking on Control Z, and it will undo the changes one by one. Once you're doing that and you feel that you're comfortable with the video that you've produced, and after previewing it, you see that the video really suits what it is that you are up to, you come and change and name your video Camels, and then you just click on download. So when you click on download, this is what happens. The AI synchronizes each and every scene to the voiceover. So it will process the audio, synchronize it, synchronize the background music, then generate the video. And this is going to take some time. It might take maybe 20 to 30 minutes also. Kindly note, depending on the speed of your internet. So once it's done downloading, it will definitely save it in your computer. Or you can have it saved on the cloud. So that's one thing I love about Pictory. So let's give it time for it to finish downloading, and then I'll show you how the final video looks like. These majestic creatures have captivated the hearts of people for centuries and are known for their ability to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth.
From their unique physical adaptations to their surprising intelligence, camels have many fascinating characteristics that make them truly unique.
So that's it for today's video. I hope it brings a clearer perspective of Pictory, and I hope it gets easier for you who will choose to use it in video creating. Thanks for watching.